Tiffany's and bottles and bubbles, girls with tattoos who like getting in trouble. Lashes and diamonds, ATM machines. Make myself all of my favorite things. Been through some bad shit, I should be a savage. Who would've thought it turned me to a savage? Rather be tied up with calls and drum strings. Write my own checks like I heard what to sing.
My wrist, stop watching. My neck, it's fine. Make big deposits. My block, it's poppin'. You like my hair? She thinks, just got it. I see it, I like it, I want it, I got it. Yeah, I want it, I got it. 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 You like my hair? She thinks, just bought it. I see it, I like it, I want it, I got it.
Wearing no ring, but ain't gon' be no misses. Buy matching diamonds for 6 of my bitches. I'd rather spoil all my friends with my riches. Think we taught therapy, my new addiction. Whoever said money can solve your problems must not have had enough for me to solve it. They say which one I said, nah, I want all of them. Happiness is the same price as red bottoms.
My smile is beaming, my skin is gleaming. The way it shine, I know you see it. I bought a crib just for the closet, the kids and hers. I want it, I got it. 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 You like my hair? She thinks, just bought it. I see it, I like it. I want it, I got it.
My receipts be looking like phone numbers. If it ain't money, then wrong number. Black card is my business card. The way it be setting the tone for me. I don't eat it, brag, but I be like, put it in the bag, yeah. When you see the max, they stack up like my ass, yeah. Shoot, go from the south to the booth, make it all back in one loop. Give me the loot, never mind, I got a juice. Nothing but never we shoot. Look at my neck, look at my neck. Ain't got enough money to pay me respect. Ain't no budget when I'm on the set. If I like it, then that's what I get, yeah.
I want it, I got it. 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 You like my hair? She thinks, just bought it. I see it, I like it. I want it, I got it. Yeah.
Mama was a bit naive, and her daddy was a blinded thief. He went and stole what was left of the remains of the family. She'd hide away behind the door she kept locked. The walls weren't thick enough to block out the angry noses of the voices that once soothed her to sleep. And she lies tonight underneath the caving roof, and she cries tonight, wondering what she can do. And she tries tonight, remembering who she once knew, but they've died inside. Another empty bottle takes a life. This world can be so cruel. She lives her life as a broken tool, and she believes she's unable to fix this broken machine. And what's the use to throw yourself at love if in the end it never seems enough to be able to get through all of life's broken dreams?